So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and then type in device manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters, and then you want to right click on your graphics card and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that the best drivers for your device have been installed. I'm also going to leave 3 links down below in the description for Nvidia, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. So for me I have an Nvidia graphics card and I got GeForce Experience. Now once you're in your software, you want to click on the drivers tab, and then you want to click on check for updates. Make sure the graphics card drivers are fully up to date. Now for the second method, you want to head over to search again and then type in device manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to expand monitors. And then if you see the monitor that's not being detected, you want to right click on it and then click on update driver. And then click on search automatically for drivers. Now for the next method, first you want to head over to search and then type in check for updates. Click on it. Then you want to click on check for updates and do the updates your computer may have. Now you want to head over to search again and then type in display settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on identify, and then your monitor might appear. Now for the next method, you want to check if your cable is actually working or not, and you want to try to plug it into a different port on your graphics card. If that's still not working, restart your computer and then you want to see if it works, but if not, then your cable's probably broken, just get a new one.